Now, Bitcoin is something which a lot of people have been investing in 2021. Recently, Cathie Wood, who is an American multi-millionaire with a net worth of $250 million, actually predicts that the price of Bitcoin will go up in the next 5 years and would reach roughly around $500,000. So in this video, we are going to understand what is her thought process. Why does she actually predict that the price of Bitcoin will go up? And also, what should you do in today's date? So Cathie Wood is actually the founder and CEO of Ark Invest, which is an investment management firm. The company actually manages billions of dollars. She's quite popular in terms of picking stocks, and also she has gained a lot of popularity on media based on her bold predictions about different stocks and different cryptocurrencies as well. Recently, she predicts that the entire crypto market will go up in the near future, and specifically Bitcoin. She predicts that Bitcoin, which is currently priced at $48,000, will go up in price to at least about $500,000 over the next 5 years. She has made this prediction based on a couple of key facts and a couple of key points. Now, the very first reason is because she predicts that over the next few months or over the next few years, more and more companies will start adopting Bitcoin and they will start diversifying their balance sheet into Bitcoin. Naturally, because Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency with the biggest market cap as well. So automatically, when more and more companies are investing their money into Bitcoin, there will be a higher demand for Bitcoin. And naturally, Bitcoin has a limited supply. There total only about 21 million Bitcoins that can be existed, out of which 18 million Bitcoins are currently in circulation as of today's date. So naturally, when there's more demand for Bitcoin and there's limited supply, you will see the prices of Bitcoin going up. We have already seen that multiple different companies have taken the initiative of adopting Bitcoin. So definitely in the near future, she believes that more and more companies will start adopting as well. Now, the second prediction is based on the fact that institutional investors will start allocating at least about 5% of their funds into crypto market. Now, institutional investors are your companies that actually invest people's money on behalf of them, like hedge funds, mutual funds, etc. So definitely, because in the crypto market, there have been huge returns over the last few years, and especially Bitcoin, even the institutional investors are now trying to adopt Bitcoin. They are trying to invest their money into Bitcoins. And another main reason is because countries have now started to make Bitcoin as a legal tender. So recently, El Salvador, which is a country in America, actually made Bitcoin legal. So now you can actually go to McDonald's or Starbucks and purchase goods using Bitcoin. Now, there are more countries like Ukraine, Panama, who are actually about to make Bitcoin as a legal tender. And there are countries like Vietnam, Morocco, Nigeria that are actually having discussion in terms of making Bitcoin as a legal currency. Now, with increasing institutional adoption, countries making Bitcoin legal, growth in the emerging global market, booming developer activities, all this can lead to increase in the prices of Bitcoin. Now, one of the main reasons why Bitcoin took a big hit in 2021 in terms of price was because of Elon Musk's claims towards the environmental impact of Bitcoin. Now, naturally, there are multiple different companies, there are multiple different developers who are trying to make the entire mining process of Bitcoin more eco-friendly. So Cathie Wood actually predicts that if the entire mining process becomes more environmental friendly, then there's a good possibility that Elon Musk might again start investing in Bitcoin, and Tesla might even start accepting Bitcoin again. Now, what should you be doing? Should you be actually investing all your money into cryptocurrency, or should you be actually investing all your money into Bitcoin? Definitely not. There's a huge price fluctuation which happens in the crypto market on a daily basis. The volatility in the crypto market is huge. So you need to make sure that you're not investing your entire portion of wealth into crypto. At the same time, you need to make sure that you're actually allocating a small portion into cryptocurrency, purely because this helps you diversify your portfolio. This small portion can be 5% or 7%. Also, you need to make sure that this small portion, you're not investing in bulk. So if you have, let's say 5%, this 5% is divided into weeks or maybe into months, because that way you're able to average a cost of buying. Also, which cryptocurrency to buy? Cathie would actually suggest that she is going to focus mainly into Bitcoins and Ethereum. She's going to allocate 60% of the wealth in terms of the allocated money into Bitcoin, and the remaining 40% is going to be allocated into Ethereum. So probably that is something which even you can try. So I hope you have actually understood why Cathie Wood actually predicts the price of Bitcoin will touch $500,000 by 2027. So if you found this particular video useful, do like it, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.